On the base of this mnemonic, I'm going to talk about the branches of mandibular nerve with three. O man, Ali. Ali is temporarily he is a master and laterally he is a boy. Like you guys can see here, O man, O is for ovally, man is for mandibular, Ali, and Ali is master. Temporarily he is a master and laterally he is a boy. So A is for auriculotemporal nerve, L is for lingual nerve, I is for inferior alveolar nerve, master is for masseter nerve, temporary is for temporalis nerve, lateral is for lateral trigode nerve, and boy is for buccal nerve. As lateral trigode is here, so the medial trigode is going to be derived from the trunk. This is the posterior division, this is the anterior division, and this is the trunk. And from trunk we also get a branch which is called nervus spinosus. So I'm going to explain it. Trigeminal nerve is the mixed cranial nerve and it is arise from the pons. So for the mixed cranial nerve, I already uploaded another mnemonic on this, how we will remember that which cranial nerve are the mixed cranial nerve. As you guys can see from the supply of the tongue, like anterior 2/3 is supplied by 5th cranial nerve, 7th cranial nerve, posterior 1/3 is supplied by 9th cranial nerve, and most posterior part of the tongue is supplied by 10th cranial nerve. So 5th, 7th, 9th, and 10th, all these nerves are the mixed cranial nerve. So the 5th cranial nerve is the mixed cranial nerve. Another thing that we know that from the fons, the 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th cranial nerves are going to be arise from the fons. So this is the 5th cranial nerve, trigeminal. It will be originated from the fons or arise from the pons. Now we know that it is a mixed cranial nerve. So it is consisting of the sensory nucleus and it is also consisting of the motor nucleus. So the sensory nucleus are the mesencephalic nucleus, okay, which is present in the midbrain. So mesencephalic is related with the midbrain in embryology. So this is how we will remember it. Now as the trigeminal nerves is arising from the pons, so the main sensory nucleus is going to be present in the pons and the motor nucleus is also will be present in the pons. Now the spinal trigeminal nucleus is going to be present in the medulla and it move upward. As this medulla is related with the spinal cord, so this is how we will remember the spinal trigeminal nucleus. All these are going to together. These are the sensory nerves. So this is the sensory root and this is the motor roots. Motor roots is very small and motor roots is going to move posteriorly to this trigeminal ganglia. Then this trigeminal ganglia is going to divide V1 and V2. So V1 and V2 are purely sensory. So these are only arise from the sensory nucleus. But if we see the mandibular nerve, now this whole area is the mandibular nerve. So mandibular nerve is consisting from the sensory part and also motor part. As this mandibular nerve move through foramina ove, then these are going to together and as they together they are going to form a trunk. So now this is the trunk of mandibular nerve. This trunk is going to divide into anteriorly and posteriorly. Anterior division and posterior division. The posterior division is going to give us ALI, A-L-I. So auriculotemporal nerve, which is going to supply, which will enter into parotid gland and is going to pass through it and is going to divide into two branches, temporal branch and auricular branch. That's why it is called auriculotemporal nerve. Then another branch, it will give us the lingual nerve, which is going to supply anterior 2/3 of the tongue. Another one, so from L lingual, A-L-I. So I is for inferior alveolar nerve. Inferior alveolar nerve will get inside into the mandible through foramina, which is called mandibular foramen, and it will move like interiorly in the mandibular canal. This is the mandibular canal, and after passing from the mental foramen, okay, and it's going to form the mental nerve and it supplied the lower teeth. These are going to supply the lower teeth. Now before entry of an inferior alveolar nerve into the mandibular foramen, it going to give us the branch which is going to supply the mylohyoid muscle. This is the mylohyoid muscle, and this is the inferior interior belly of digestic muscle, and this nerve is going to supply the mylohyoid muscle and inferior belly of digestic muscle. This nerve is actually called mylohyoid nerve and it is the branch of inferior alveolar nerve. Now from the anterior division, as I already said, just remember Ali is a master, temporary and laterally he is a boy. So master masseter, temporary temporalis, laterally is lateral trigode muscle, and boy is buccal, and this buccal is the lateral pterygod nerve is here. So the medial pterygod nerve is going to be get from the trunk, and this medial pterygod nerve is going to supply the medial pterygoid muscle, and it also going to supply the tensor tympani and tensor phalange muscles. Now from the trunk we also get nervus spinosus, and this spinosus is which will get inside into the skull through foramina spinosum. So that's why it is called nervus spinosus. Like from MMS, MM is for middle meningeal artery, S is for spinosum, foramina spinosum, and SS is also for nervus spinosus. Of mandibular nerve is going to divide interior division and posterior division. The posterior division will give us auriculotemporal nerve, lingual nerve, and inferior alveolar nerve. The interior division is going to give us masseter nerve, temporalis nerve, okay, and lateral pterygoid nerve and buccal nerve. So master is for masseter nerve, temporary is for temporalis nerve, lateral is for lateral pterygoid nerve, and boy is for buccal nerve. Now let's talk about the trunk. So from the trunk will give us the lateral pterygoid is here, so the medial pterygoid is going to be get from the trunk, and medial pterygoid will also give supply to the tensor tympani muscles and tensor palatii muscle. And from the trunk we also get nervus spinosus, which is moving to the skull through foramina spinosum. From the inferior alveolar nerve, it also gives us the nerve which is called mylohyoid nerve. This mylohyoid nerve is going to supply the mylohyoid muscles and interior belly up digestic muscle.